Hi everyone, another very hot day. As you can tell, I look stunning. Well, trying to remain positive, very difficult. Um, I took out the shower curtain in the bathroom. There's a crack in the tub. Um, Not a big deal. So I pulled out the junction box. I think that's what it's called, not sure. Let it all dry out. And there was a screw in there that was touching those copper ground wires. And I'm not sure if that was why we were getting a shock on everything metal, but it's not doing it now. So I don't know if it's because things are starting to dry out. I caulked two of the windows on the side. As you can see, I'm holding this thing wrong. As you can see, I tore all that out. Now I'm tearing the carpet out. So I had to tear those out and found more damage back there. And was hoping that was going to be it. But, as I said, I'm trying to remain positive because, yes. Started painting and I put that metal on the back there. Those are my little tiles. I think they're so cute. They're just stick-on ones, so whenever I get really discouraged, I just come in here and work on stuff that's more fun than ripping out really wet stuff. So, yes, my father used to love boats, and he said they were just a hole in the water you throw money into. Well, that's what this is turning into, but I guess it's better than paying rent. So there's the shower curtain I took out. It just seemed nasty to me. I think the tub when it's painted will look really nice. Alright, I'm going to get back to work. More to come, obviously. Hope it's no more bad news. Bye, gal. Bye, bye. I'm going to do what the cool kids do. Woo. Hi, you guys. I'm back. I just tore out more of the wall that's all the way at the back. I had to spray it with some mold and mildew stuff because I'm terribly allergic to mold. But I am going to wait till tomorrow when I have regular daylight and unplug this to take this out. This is scaring me. It's electrical right there. And that is moldy and rotten. And I was really hoping that it was not coming from the roof. But when I open this cupboard door up here, you can see that that is very wet. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. My daughter helped me a lot this morning. We got a lot done. It's crazy. Gosh. Oh, I'm not done. I still have a lot more to do, but I'm taking a break. I just wanted to show what we did. Boy, do I ever hope this is it. I'm certainly not going to hold my breath, but I'm getting used to the fact that this is like a domino effect. So still can't turn that around. I don't know what the deal is anyway. Let me flip this around. I'm gonna point this over here just because I want it to be such a surprise. Ooh, aren't you excited? I knew you would be. Isn't that nice? Oh my God. Well, I hope that's it. I really hope that's it. I'm not sure. I shouldn't have just bought the bus. I guess I'm starting from scratch anyway. Alright. Back to work. I smack myself right in the face. Hi everyone. Today is Saturday. I feel like I made some pretty good progress. I primed all the, well, upper kitchen cupboards. And I feel like I made some pretty good progress. I was watching some RV renovations and they painted the fabric inserts that look like that. I thought I'd give it a try. I like that silver on there. I just can't get it solid, but I think I like the texture. What do you guys think? I'm not sure about it yet. Anyway, it's coming along pretty well. And then I also replaced the old RV lights. Not all of them yet, but 3 of them. With these, which are so much nicer. They're cool, not hot, which was scaring me. I was afraid there was going to be a fire. I put those little battery powered ones up there. And then that one is replaced. And this one as well. I had a bit of a hard time. I had to watch some YouTube videos because they only have non-polar 2 white wires inside of them. And I didn't know what that meant, non-polar. So what it means is that they can be used as the negative and the positive. So you just hook them up and they work either way. So this light is not replaced yet, and it gets so hot and it scares the daylights out of me. So and this is the room of devastation. I'm trying to dry this out, and I have caulked everything and got some stuff to paint the roof, seal the roof, rubber stuff. So that is going to be soon. The problem is my daughter actually carts in her water. So she's a little low on water right now, so I can't do that. And I wasn't sure I really even wanted to until I made sure that everything was sealed up okay. So anyway, yes, those lights have to be replaced as well. So they weren't that expensive and pretty easy once I figured out what the deal was. And they're so bright, so nice and bright. So have not figured out what's the matter with the refrigerator yet. It acts like it's not even getting electricity. So I know it's a propane stove, but the light should still be coming on. So just wanted to make sure that light was off in there in the bathroom. But yes, I'm hoping I don't find any more bad spots. Oh my gosh. I know there is one behind the couch, but that's okay. I know that's there. I'm hoping that's not that bad and that window's been sealed already. All the old stuff's been taken off, and I guess I didn't realize, and it makes sense, how much mud and dirt gets underneath those windows. But it makes sense that because they're going down the road. So like I said, I've never had one before, but I've cleaned those 3 times and they're still really dirty. So anyway, I love doing this fun part. Don't like the room of devastation, but so hopefully Juicy Lucy, and I know maybe you guys, I think I told you guys, Juicy Lucy is a hamburger place in Florida. But my granddaughter laughed. She thought it was really funny. But I'm hoping Juicy Lucy is going to be dried out Lucy pretty soon. Alright. I'm still smacking myself in the face.